Hi guys, I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have a bunch of products from juno&co. Juno&co is that company that came out with the microfiber sponge a while back, and they had a lot of really inexpensive makeup brushes and things like that. They have come out with some really awesome stuff recently. So first of all, let's talk about some microfiber sponges. There's the lavender one and the lemonade one, which I don't know, I just love that it's lemonade. So this one is, there's no flat spots except on the bottom, and then this one has the one flat spot on the side. These are wet, so that's why they're so big. Microfiber sponges are fun and wonderful, and I love these. And you can get these individually for I think $6, but they also have a bunch of different bundles that you can get. And then this is probably actually my favorite Juno sponge, which is not a microfiber. This one is the CLOUDE Sponge, and they also have a Storm one that's black, which might be better because the white one always gets funky discolored, right? This one has a shorter flat side and a longer flat side, and it's just really soft. That's why I really like this one. It's the density. It's much less dense than these ones are. I don't know if you can tell by me squeezing them, but it is quite a bit softer. So those are the sponges. And then they came out with a whole new set of brushes. Okay, don't mock my peanut butter jar. But look at these brushes. They are totally different from the last ones that they came out with. I know I did a video about them. You may have seen them before. They were like your inexpensive type brushes. They were like $3, $4, that kind of a thing. And these ones aren't crazy expensive, but they are more like $7, $8. I think the full bundle is around 40 something, I wanna say. Let's see, they have an eye brush bundle for 40. And then they've got the larger fluffy brushes, like this one is $12. These two are $11 each. So these ones are more expensive, but they're still not like crazy expensive. These are definitely affordable, and they are really, really nice. I like the tapered brush. Of course, the pink color is super cute. And this is like a shiny metal, and it's like ribbed. I don't know if you can hear that. Anyway, and then it's just like plastic at the bottom, but they feel like better brushes. Like, that sounds bad, but like the black ones felt like hollow plastic, you know, so it just gave them like a cheaper feel. These ones feel really nice. I like the white bristles. They're very soft. So let's just quickly go through them. So you have your big powder brush, a smaller powder brush. This one's a little more tapered too. I just washed these, so they look a little raggedy. This one, there's like a couple that are, it's shedding a little bit, not bad. I haven't noticed it like actually shedding on my face, and I have washed these a couple of times now. So this one is great for powder. You can see like the size of my big old face, you know, it's great. I've been using it a ton. And then this one is really great for blush. I like this size, and it's a little bit tapered, so you could, you know, even use like the angled side for like a contour or a more precise blush. I use it honestly like for blush and highlighter. I don't know why, but lately I've been doing like highlighter all over my cheeks. Can you tell? I have no idea. And then this one is your angled brush. You know, I'm not that into angled brushes. It's just not my cup of tea, but you know, you could use it for whatever. But they're all really, really great quality. And then the smaller brushes, this one is like a flat top kabuki, but it's pinched at the ferrule. So it's more of an oval shape. You know, which is kind of interesting, but it's really great for contour. And because of the density in this one, it is pretty dense. It works really, really well with cream products, like a cream contour, or even like a blush or highlight or concealer, whatever you wanted to use it for. You know, it's a little too small for foundation, I think, but you know, you could definitely do concealer with it. Anyway, my preference is this right here. I love it for contour. And I used it today with a powder. I just used like the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I thought it worked great. And then some eye brushes. You have an angled brush, which I use for my brows. I really like it for my brows. Nice fluffy one for like your crease. A flat, kind of fluffy one, which is great for putting color on the movable part of your lid. And then this one that's super flat, which is great for like packing on color, glitter, getting into, you know, specific areas. You could even use this to like smudge out your eyeliner, that kind of a thing. And then this one is an angled, it's pinched, so it's kind of thin, but it's a bit fluffy and it's angled. This is great for like outer V kind of a thing. At least that's what I usually use mine for. And then a liner brush. At first I thought this liner brush was going to be way too fat. I don't know, can you see it? It just looked really fat. But every time I use it, it actually works perfectly. So I've been really happy with it. So I love, love, love all of these brushes. And my peanut butter jar. And then, but wait, there's more. This is their powder that they came out with. I can't tell if this is glass or plastic, quite honestly. But it's a square jar with the lid that I feel like has a lot of twists to get it off. And then it has one of those trampoline things in the middle that you bounce to get the powder out. Powder's tinted, but it's basically a translucent setting powder. You guys, I really, really like this. It doesn't settle into my wrinkles. It's not heavy, it's not too drying. I've been loving using this. I think it's great. So this one is the Makeup Setting Powder Brighten. They also have an airbrush one, and I'm honestly not totally sure what the difference is between the two since this is the only one that I have, but I really, really like it. And this, by the way, is $28. So we are no longer in that super cheap range of things, but it is really nice, and I think that the quality backs up the price. And then this, I have to show you the packaging that it came in because I was like, what? Okay. Look at this box, first of all. How cute is this? This is one of the few companies that I actually get like PR for, so I was really excited when I got this. So a little Moonshine thing, and then look at this. Okay, it comes like this. Wait, I'm not showing you properly. Okay, so then you take the top off and you have this. Look at that little star, and then it comes out like this. You guys, I don't know why I get so excited about packaging. I'm totally one of those people that buys things just for the packaging. Okay, and then the box opens like this, and it says, "You got it glowing on, and close your eyes and make a wish, baby, you're a star." And then it opens up like this, and I just thought that this was so cute. It says, "Apply cream to face and neck with a gentle massage until fully absorbed." So this is the actual thing. Isn't this beautiful? I mean, it looks like something from Lancome or something. It's just gorgeous. Can you see the sparkles? I hope that my camera is picking up how like actually beautiful this is. It's like sparkly and spacey looking. And then the top screws off and you have a little tub of cream in there. So the card says, softens lightweight multi-depth moisture with a groundbreaking formula. Hyaluronic acid and avocado enriching oils provide a smoothing multi-depth moisture. And it is definitely very moisturizing. It feels like almost like a night cream. It's like that thick, heavy kind of a cream. And then it says it brightens noticeably brighter skin after first use. Our clean and efficient combination of ingredients plumps and reduces skin imperfections for that ultimate glow. I was expecting, honestly, with that description that it would have like glitter in it kind of a thing. Like I was expecting, you know, that sort of a glow. It doesn't. It's just that once your face is hydrated, it like automatically looks plump and fresh and that sort of a glow. And then minimizes pores, airbrush finish with or without makeup. Use it as a pore minimizing primer and moisturizer for that coveted blurring effect. That part I didn't really get. There's no, like, I don't know, it felt like a heavy duty moisturizer more so than like a blurring primer type of thing. What it honestly reminds me a little bit of, way back in the day, Philosophy had this primer. It's called like The Present or something. And it was like in a tube and it was a white primer that felt a lot like this, like a thick, heavy duty moisturizer. And you were supposed to put it on and then wait 3 minutes and then apply your makeup. And I loved that stuff. I just felt like it did such a good job of, you know, keeping my skin hydrated. Because I have dry skin, makeup tends to settle into my wrinkles and look all tight and gross. And so something like that was really great for me. So I feel like this reminds me so much of that. And so I do absolutely love this. I don't know that it's necessarily described as, well, like how it's described made me think it was going to be something else, but what it actually is, I don't know, I just love it. So anyway, this is fantastic. This is $35, but it's beautiful and wonderful, and I've had it for, I don't know, maybe a week. It doesn't have any sort of smell that I can tell. And I love it. Plus it's just so pretty. I like having it sitting on my vanity, and like, you know, after I wash my face, and I'll put like a sunscreen on and then I put this on and then kind of wait a few minutes because I'm still following the rules from The Present or whatever it was. So anyway, I've been loving all of these products. I think Juno has like turned around and become something totally different. It was going to be like this super inexpensive brand, and now it's mid-level expensive, but really awesome quality and fun products. So I'm really excited about everything that I have. I can't wait to see what else they come out with. I'm really glad to be on their PR list. All right, so I will leave all of the information in the description box. I probably have some sort of a referral link, maybe even a discount code, so make sure that you look for that in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!